All right, family. We just diving back into this stick on Thursday morning. Keeping a real tight arc, family. That's important. And it stands. You want to always get comfortable too. Just keep that in mind. And brace yourself. You see how he's posted up against it a little bit? He's not wobbling or nothing like that. And look, he slightly got his finger on it to help him stabilize the rod. All of these techniques, family, help you when you're learning.
Coming off a little bit, starting to light up on me. I see what you told me. If I see, I'm too far.
Seen it, didn't you?
Yeah.
Actions speak louder than words. Actions speak louder than words. Once you get to noticing things, then you get to seeing it. Yeah. I'm like, I don't even have to correct you. You'll correct yourself. You'll be like, man, I did this right here. Because literally, the whale will tell you from the aspects of it. It'll say, oh, you did this or you did that. It'll tell you. Got my guy over here. He's working on it. He's actually going to come back in, fine tune. And everybody's, like I say, working on practicing, getting better. And you can only get better if you put the work in, fam. You got to put the work in. All right. You got to put the work in, fam. So just keep that in mind. I'm going to show y'all something real quick. This is the layout of the shop. Our goal is to help you learn how to weld, fam. I'm using the cutting torch. I'm using a plasma torch over there, cutting up stuff, fabricating stuff, making things so that way you can be more sufficient in your welding skills. But we got to start from somewhere. You can't reinvent the wheel. Most people think they can reinvent the wheel. You really can't. You got to start from the basics, fam. You got to start from the basics. And that's what we're doing right now. We're starting on stick welding, and we're already on the vertical position, and we started on flat. So our goal is to go from flat to overhead, and then we're gonna reset. And once we reset, we'll start working on T-joints. So we'll be doing T-joints in every position. Right now, we're just doing flat plate in every position until they actually get it down. Once they get it down, then we'll move on. But it's all about running beads, fam. You just got to be able to critique what you're doing. When you see any issues, to kind of know exactly where it's coming from. That's the main thing. And once you start seeing flaws in different areas, you need to know exactly what it is. You know, exactly what you're looking for. So the main goal is to get them ready to do T-joints and the grooves, fam. You know, and I love to say this is very important. Learning just the small things of the toe, learning how to stay tight to tie it in. Those things are very important, family. Very, very important. And our goal is to give you this information. We got 16 weeks to get it to you. So don't be in no rush. Just take your time and get your hold on.